To transform your natural nails from this to this, keep watching. Hi, my name is Wambui. Today's video is going to be about nails. Now, most of the time, I wear out my natural nails, so I can say they're always neat and filed and in shape. So I'm going to skip that step in this video, but I have to clean my nails and, of course, push my cuticles back for a neat outcome. I use two types of soap. I'll use a bar soap and a liquid soap when I'm pushing my cuticles back. That's because I've added a little oil on my liquid soap so that it won't be painful when I'm pushing back my cuticles. I do not have a complete nail kit, but if you have one, you can use an equipment to push back your cuticles. But you can also use your fingers to do this. It's painless. And also remember to clean the outside and the inside part of your nails as well. After that, I'll dry my hands using a towel and they look neat. Applied some oil on my hands, but I had to go in with a cotton ball and acetone to remove any excess oil or soap left on my nails. Removing residue on your nails is always good because it determines how your polish turns out. And I'll be experimenting this polish. For my base coat, I'll go with one layer, two layers, I mean. I'll do the right hand off camera. That's how they look like. And now it's time to do the actual polish. I always like going in with very thin multiple layers. That's because it turns out good, and two, your polish dries faster. And so the first coat will never really look good, but I use the second coat to make it look better. And again, I'll do one hand off camera. That's after the first coat, and then I'll go in with the second coat. And I broke one of my big nails, by the way. So and that's after the second coat. Now it's time to clean up. I'll still use acetone and cotton buds, or you call them earbuds. And for this, I have to be very careful not to mess the actual polish. And I always like cleaning after my polish before I do my top coat. Nice and clean, and now it's time for the top coat. So for my top coat, I just go in with one layer. And I was filming this video tonight, so if you see any changes with lighting, please understand. And also always remember the edges or the end of your nail where chipping always occurs. So make sure that you use your top coat on that part as well. And those were my results. Took pictures the following day. And that's how they looked like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye.